At least 21 Maoists, including possibly up to 2 to 3 top leaders, have been killed in an exchange of fire with the Andhra Pradesh Police Greyhound Commandos and the Odisha Police in Malkangiri, a forest area on the Andhra Pradesh-Odisha border. According to the police, 2 constables of the Greyhounds and elite anti-Maoist force have also been injured in the encounter.
Major questions now being raised on the encounter that happened in the Andhra-Orissa border zone. 21 Maoists reported killed, sir. Why are you calling this a fake encounter?
Fake encounter in the sense because the DGP himself is saying that with an information that a conference is taking place, a plenum is taking place in the AOB border in the Malkangiri forest, when you know that it is a conference, it's not that they have fired upon you. It so happened that have encountered you and you have fired. They have fired.
The police narrative obviously is going to be that the firing happened from the Maoist side, but also they are talking about huge recovery of AK-47s, SLRs and high-end weapons.
These are latter things. But first thing is what DGP himself has said that we have come to know a confirmed news that a conference, a plenum conference is taking place. That means as in Koppernam, when a plenum was taking place with an information, you have gone and hurled the grenades there, and then they have fired. In self-defense, you can say you have fired, but 18 people were killed in 97, where Rajanna was brought on a stretcher. So, with the information that is a conference is taking place and you have gone, and your own words are, they first fired, true. Your greyhounds were injured. Why? When they fire, your greyhounds only will be injured. When you fire, they will be killed. From 2000 onwards, for the last 16 years, at least in the Chintapalli, Chinturu, Padeer area, you will see they were resisting this kind of mining activity. Likewise, in Orissa also, you see the Nayamgiri, Posko, these are the historical resistance of Adivasi movements where the Maoist influence also is there.